had barely any rain recently, and the ground, you can see, being clay soil, is cracking up from the lack of water. I mean, I've hand watered these plants, but it's really bad. So what I'm doing is, fortunately we've got quite a lot of leaves that have been saved from the autumn, and they've been saving it every year and putting it in this compost bin. So we've got layers and layers of it, and so you can see from there, I mean, if I go down, that's where I've been digging the compost out, and you know, there's quite a lot of leaves on top of it. Obviously the older stuff's rotted down and made compost, but the top stuff is leaves. So I'm going to put those round the raspberries and strawberries to mulch them. And the path, I'll just use good old wood chips, but just around the raspberries I want a bit of leaves, so that will break down and actually add a bit of organic matter, whereas the wood chips will take a bit longer. Really not much to see, just collect up the leaves. And mulch, because they've been lying in that compost heap. They are actually quite matted together, so it will help to keep the weeds down as well. But I mean, I say keep the weeds down, but having dug all the beds, I mean, I can see the bindweed is coming through again, but it's coming in from that edge from the path. So it's going to be a recurring problem, but you know, I can see another bit coming in the corner there. So bindweed is going to be a constant battle on this plot, but it is what it is.